I don't know if I snore because I don't hear myself, so.
Oh, he hears himself because sometimes it wakes him up. And he's like, baby, was I snoring? Yeah, you were snoring.
So now we gotta fix it. Don't want to go out like that.
And I showed him my mouthpiece. I go, like, I have this thing that I have to sleep with. I go, it'll change your life. Joey Diaz changed his life. He started using that thing, brings it everywhere.
I mean, I wish every problem were that easy to solve.